the product. So based on the keys, it will show the products to match the keys. I mean, if you are typing the A, like let's say if you find the find bar, if you're writing the A, then it will show you the which products is name starts with the A. Then if you write down that, let's say that you write down the mobile. So when you use the mobile M, then it will show you all the related which one the products which one is started with the M. Then when you write the O, then it will show you the the products which one is started with the MO. I think if you see into the Amazon or eBay, maybe they also follow the same process.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how maybe you guys can write down the acceptance criteria, because the here I can see the scenario base. It's you guys are like mismatching with the API and the UI. So did you guys get my point? What I tried to say?
So in acceptance criteria, we show the direction like do this and that and this, and then this will happen. So
Yeah,
we
I
also
mean,
add what, yeah, go ahead.
like what, like the one you are writing this user story, and for this, what you needs to follow. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
like what you will do, like as a see, also mention here 2 to 3 things. You can mention more. Like if I don't give, or if I put the wrong, what will be the result there? If I put the right, what will be the result there? Then and also if some more things, if some more rules there, then add also those rules
Mm-hmm.
also. Those type of acceptance criteria you can also write.
Okay.
But I know user story is supposed to be like short, not so long. But if we put so much in acceptance criteria, I mean, I'm just asking like
No, no,
all the
in the acceptance,
direction and
yeah,
then
the objective is fine. You don't need to mention a lot of things in the objective. But in the acceptance criteria, you can, yeah, you can give 5 to 6, 6 to 7 acceptance criteria if you have. Because based on this acceptance criteria, tester can execute their test cases. They can write down the test cases. They can easily understand that okay, what will be the positive test cases, what will be the negative test cases for this user history. Developer can develop based on your user history and the acceptance criteria. Okay, this is the rules I have to add behind the scene. This is the logic I have to write down behind the scene. Okay.
so we give them the direction and we also give them positive and negative. This should happen and this should not happen in the
Yes,
acceptance
yes,
criteria.
yes, yes.
And that would be like a long list of acceptance criteria,
Not the
which
long
you're
list of acceptance criteria. Like for this product, to find the product, um, you may have 5 to 6
But
acceptance
I can
criteria.
hold on. So what he means by the negative and positive, you can do is in the title you wrote as a buyer should be able to find the products. Instead, if you wrote I should not be able to find the products, that would be a negative test case. So you don't have to specify it. They can tell from the title.
yeah.
You can, yeah, simply that okay, if it's not that user, like as a buyer, I something right there, but it's not matching with any product, then it should show something there, right? Like a pay a text that okay, this product is not matching. Just write there that okay, if a buyer search a product and which one is not matching with any product, then it should show that product is not matching in the page. Okay, that one is another acceptance criteria. Then also I already said 3 to 4 acceptance criteria, and also you can add more for only this one. Then for another user history, you can add the acceptance criteria for those also. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I told you, because yeah, you guys already learned that how to write down the scenario based acceptance criteria. You are already good with that, so you can practice this one also.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Another one is about the seller portal.
Okay.
And I go to the server. And I have the problem with this part, the get product
Okay.
by slug.
Okay.
And I have
So
to
He made some changes. Is this the latest one? I mean, did you refresh it?
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead. You want to ask what this is? I also
I
want to
think
know.
this on the workshop. This one was like you should be able to search the product from the link. Like when you click a product in the website and you have the link on the top, right? If you copy
Mhm.
that link and give it to someone, they should be able to click it and get to the product right away.
Yeah, and that's called the slug.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So every product, whenever you will product, you will get a slug for that
Mm-hmm.
product. So if you store that slug, you can just search that slug and you will get exactly the specific product.
Yeah,
Okay.
like you don't have to go through the process of going to the website and searching the product and then going to the product. This takes you exactly to the product.
For the seller portal, I have to and the for the what did they call the? I mean, for the seller portal, I have to the access permission for that, or if I write down.
Okay. So yeah, here you can search. You can see that you can search with the product ID. You can search with the
Mm-hmm.
product slug. You can search with the product name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So there are some different options to search the product,
Okay.
and for that, obviously there are different APIs also.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Please to stop sharing.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
So yeah. So the ultimate thing is that yeah. I would recommend that you guys can instead of writing the scenario based acceptance criteria, I think if you guys write down the user story, sorry, the acceptance criteria the way I said, that will be more understandable for all of you guys as you are uh like right now you are writing the user stories of to following the APIs, and also you are giving the acceptance criteria based on the UI. So instead of doing this, if you write down the acceptance criteria like this, then it will be work for both, for the API and for the UI.
Okay.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I'll suggest you to update the acceptance criteria with this, and also for every user story, follow the template that as a actor, as a buyer, as a seller, as a admin, whatever. Then I want to do this so that I can get this. Okay, so also follow this one because some of the user story I noticed that you guys mentioned that I want to do this, but you didn't mention properly that okay, by doing this, what I want to get. Okay, okay.
Did you call on me by any chance?
Oh no, no, no. So did you write any user story for you? I think no, no.
Started. No, but when I do,
Yeah.
I'll let you know. I set up a meeting with you for review.
Okay, sure.
We still have 2 more weeks, right?
Yes, but don't wait for like the
No, I'm not going to
last
wait.
one.
It's a lot of user stories.
Okay. Okay.
Doing the
Okay.
user stories
So yeah, go
on
on.
Swagger, right?
Sorry.
We're doing the user stories based on what's on Swagger.
Yes.
Of those,
Yeah.
we're not writing anything outside of it.
On the like outside of it means sorry, I didn't.
I just meant like we're writing user stories based on what's on the Swagger.
Yeah, I mean from the Swagger you will just get the idea like okay, this is the API, this is the behind the scene, this function is working. This function is needs this information, these values.
Okay, I think I have to create an account in ecom first.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
And
So
the
okay, if you guys don't have any question, yeah, go on. Do you have any question?
ecom link on the Agile PO in our
Uh,
group.
yeah, the link is given already.
Okay.
And okay.
So we were not able to move forward when we were like using user API, like update picture, update profile. That night group from 9 to 10, we all do it together. And we got stuck somewhere like and would you be available around that time if we get stuck somewhere for help?
Yeah, if
Hello?
whatever if you face any issue with any function, any user history, any API, just note down those, then just then send into the chat. So
Mhm.
we'll give you that how it works. We'll show you.
I mean, are you the only person helping with the Postman or the API in Swagger, or there is somebody else just in case you are not available around that time,
Yeah,
like at night?
Pratik, Yusha, they can also do this. Okay.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Okay. So I think if you don't have any question, then we can stop the recording.